Okay, so I have received the Velomax wireless microphone today from Amazon. This is basically the dual microphone version. There is a single microphone version as well, but I went for the dual microphone one, so you can see the power button and the clip. This one is either to your camera type C port or your mobile type C port. You can plug in with just a plug and play version. You don't need to install any software or any separate app for it. It will automatically detect. This is the charger and extra something, but also two of them, considering it's a dual one, and the charging cable. We'll keep both of them inside for now. Other than that, there's a user manual for it. Here also you can see it's simple plug and play. You don't need to install any separate application or software. This is the warranty card. Yeah, so I will test this mics later with the comparison one and post it for your reference as well. Thank you.